This project is known as demographic analysis. This was a two-part project. In the first part, life expectancy versus birth rate. It was seen for various countries for the year 1960 and the year 2013. This was the data set used for that purpose. The second part of the project had birth rate and internet users for various countries. These were compared along with the income group and depending on the continent that they rely on. And R script was used for this purpose. Both the R scripts follow a similar pattern. And then after basic data importing data cleaning was done. Data cleaning included creating merged data set, basic data exploration. After that, the visualizations were performed. The script remains kind of same for both with some basic changes in the column names and nothing else. The graphs which are produced can be seen over here. This was the graph for life expectancy versus fertility rate in 1960 by region. This was the same graph for the year 2013. This is a graph for internet users versus birth rate classified according to the continent. And this one is internet users versus birth rate classified according to the income group. A similar project has been done in Python as well as in Canva. I will be linking those down in the description.